Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Squarespace, complete guide step by step clearly. To enhance your side hustle with Squarespace, follow these essential steps. Begin by defining your goals for your side hustle. Identify your target audience and tailor your messaging to them. Sign up for a Squarespace account to access their user-friendly platform. Explore the templates available and choose one that best reflects your brand. Customize the template to fit your vision and aesthetics. Incorporate your logo, color scheme, and fonts for brand consistency. Create essential pages such as home, about, services, and contact. Utilize the drag-and-drop editor to arrange your content seamlessly. Add high-quality images and graphics to engage visitors visually. Write clear and compelling copy for each page, highlighting your value. Set up an online store if you're selling products or services. Use Squarespace's built-in e-commerce tools to manage inventory and transactions. Integrate payment options that suit your audience, like credit cards or PayPal. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords. Adjust your site's SEO settings to improve visibility on search engines. Connect your social media accounts to drive traffic from those platforms. Enable email marketing functionalities to build and communicate with your audience. Regularly create and publish blog posts to establish expertise and provide value. Monitor website analytics to understand visitor behavior and preferences. Make data-driven adjustments based on those insights to enhance user experience. Consider utilizing Squarespace's built-in marketing tools to promote your side hustle. Engage with visitors through comments or a contact form to build relationships. Stay consistent with updates and content to keep your audience engaged. Continuously refine your website based on feedback and performance metrics. This approach will help you create a sustainable and thriving side hustle with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.